Alright road warriors, buckle up because we're about to supercharge your drive like never before. Today we're breaking down smart car gadgets every car owner should have, including winter essentials that fight cold starts, icy roads, and brutal weather, plus everyday tools that make daily driving safer, easier, and more controlled. These aren't gimmicks. These are real, road-tested upgrades that earn their spot in your car. If something catches your eye, links are waiting in the description, so let's roll in. First up on our list is this windshield cover. It is a winter lifesaver built to beat snow, frost, and freezing mornings. This waterproof black vinyl layer blocks moisture from settling overnight, keeping your windshield clear, dry, and scrape-free. It saves serious time during cold starts while protecting wipers and glass from ice damage. This cover installs fast, stays secure in wind, and folds compact for storage. When winter hits hard, this simple upgrade keeps mornings smoother, cleaner, and stress-free. Right after that, this AstroAI extendable snow shovel brings serious muscle to winter emergencies. This lightweight yet durable design adjusts in length, allowing faster snow removal without straining your back or shoulders. It breaks through packed snow, clears tires, and helps dig vehicles out efficiently. This portable construction fits neatly in trunks or back seats, staying ready when storms strike unexpectedly. When snowbanks trap your ride, this shovel turns a frustrating situation into a quick, manageable, and stress-reducing solution. Let's keep rolling with this tire traction device, designed for snow, mud, and sand recovery situations. This heavy-duty construction grips tires firmly, providing instant traction when wheels spin helplessly. Simple to deploy and remove, this device helps vehicles get unstuck without towing, pushing, or external help. This rugged material withstands extreme conditions while remaining compact for storage. Whether dealing with icy winter roads or off-road mishaps, this traction tool restores control precisely when grip completely disappears. Now, this one's powerful. The Noco Boost Jump Starter delivers reliable starting power without needing another vehicle nearby. This compact lithium unit jumpstarts gas and diesel engines effortlessly, even during freezing temperatures. Built-in safety protections prevent sparks, reverse polarity, overcharging, and overloads. This device also works as a portable power bank and emergency flashlight. When batteries fail at the worst possible moments, this smart, dependable tool puts control, confidence, and mobility back in your hands instantly. Up next, this 4K dash cam setup delivers crystal clear recording that captures every detail on the road ahead. Ultra-high resolution footage documents accidents, close calls, and unexpected moments with sharp clarity, even during nighttime or low-light driving. This wide-angle lens covers multiple lanes, while loop recording ensures nothing important gets missed. Easy installation and consistent performance make it an everyday safety essential. Whether for protection, insurance evidence, or peace of mind, this dash cam keeps reliable eyes on the road at all times. Moving forward, this rooftop cargo carrier bag unlocks massive storage without sacrificing valuable cabin space. This weatherproof construction shields luggage from rain, snow, dust, and road grime, while reinforced seams prevent tearing under heavy loads. This flexible design fits most roof racks securely and folds flat when not in use. Ideal for road trips, winter gear, or family travel, this carrier expands cargo capacity effortlessly without permanent vehicle modifications or complicated installation. Meanwhile, this magnetic car phone mount keeps navigation, calls, and notifications perfectly within view. This strong magnetic hold secures devices firmly, even on bumpy roads or sharp turns, without blocking visibility. One-handed attachment allows quick mounting and removal, while enabling smooth rotation for ideal viewing angles. This compact design blends cleanly into modern interiors without clutter. For safer driving and true hands-free convenience, this mount keeps phones secure, visible, and easily accessible throughout every trip. Here's another winter essential. This snow sock system delivers instant traction using advanced 3D fabric technology. Thick, woven cords grip snow and ice aggressively, helping vehicles regain stability and control without traditional chains. Lightweight and easy to install, this option works perfectly in areas where metal chains are restricted. Compact storage makes them ideal for emergency winter travel. When roads suddenly turn slick and dangerous, this upgrade keeps vehicles moving safely and confidently. Switching gears, this AstroAI snowbrush and ice scraper combo tackles heavy winter buildup quickly and efficiently. This extended reach clears roofs, windshields, mirrors, and headlights with ease, while the reinforced scraper removes thick ice without scratching glass. Ergonomic grips reduce hand fatigue during freezing conditions. Built tough for repeated seasonal use, this tool belongs in every winter-ready vehicle. Clearing snow becomes faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating during early morning cold starts. Now let's talk about this tire inflator. It keeps tire pressure perfect anytime and anywhere. This digital display delivers accurate readings while the auto shutoff function prevents overinflation. Compact and portable, this inflator plugs easily into your vehicle for roadside or at-home use. Maintaining proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency, handling, and overall safety instantly. Whether dealing with seasonal pressure drops or slow leaks, this inflator keeps tires road ready in just minutes. And hey, before we continue, remember all the links are waiting in the description. Now let's back in. Now let's freshen things up with this smart car air freshener, designed for modern interiors. This adjustable fragrance system delivers a consistent, balanced scent without overwhelming the cabin. Motion activation and intelligent diffusion release fragrance only when needed. This sleek design blends seamlessly into dashboards while lasting significantly longer than traditional fresheners. This upgrade enhances comfort, improves mood, and elevates the driving experience on every commute, road trip, and daily drive. Sliding into charging convenience, this retractable car charger instantly eliminates cable clutter. Its auto-retracting mechanism pulls cords neatly back after every use, keeping consoles clean, organized, and mess-free. With fast charging support, it powers phones, tablets, and other accessories efficiently while on the go. Compact and sleek, it fits seamlessly into any car interior without taking up unnecessary space. No tangles, no frustration, just reliable, clean, and rapid charging every single drive. A must-have for smooth, organized travel. Now this one's clever. This car headrest tablet holder transforms back seats into personal entertainment zones for everyone. Adjustable arms secure tablets at ideal viewing angles, perfect for movies, games, or online learning. Passengers enjoy hands-free entertainment without neck strain or arm fatigue. Installation is simple, quick, and compatible with most headrests. Ideal for families, long road trips, or keeping kids engaged, this upgrade ensures passengers stay relaxed and entertained while drivers remain focused, safe, and distraction-free. Moving forward, this headrest hook system instantly adds storage for bags, groceries, purses, and backpacks. Its sturdy construction supports heavy items without bending, rattling, or breaking, while installation requires no tools or modifications. Floors stay clear, and items remain stable during turns or sudden stops. Simple yet effective, this upgrade maximizes interior space, keeping your cabin tidy, organized, and stress-free. With this handy solution, every car ride becomes clutter-free, ensuring essentials are within reach and securely stored. Next up, this heads-up display projects critical driving information directly into your line of sight. Speed, navigation, and alerts appear clearly without forcing drivers to glance down. This enhances reaction time, awareness, and overall road safety. Adjustable brightness ensures visibility in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Sleek and futuristic, this tech-driven upgrade adds modern functionality while boosting driving confidence. Drivers can stay focused, informed, and safe while enjoying a high-tech, practical enhancement to their vehicle's dashboard and driving experience. And for keeping things tidy, this collapsible trunk organizer turns messy cargo areas into neat, functional storage zones instantly. Multiple compartments secure groceries, Tools, emergency gear, and supplies, preventing items from sliding or tipping. Reinforced walls maintain structure, while the foldable design allows flat storage when not in use. Non-slip bottoms keep content stable during braking or turns. This practical upgrade simplifies daily hauling, shopping trips, and long journeys while keeping trunks organized, clutter-free, and easy to manage, making vehicle storage both convenient and efficient. Rolling right along, this 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum tackles crumbs, dust, pet hair, and tight spaces effortlessly. Powerful suction removes messes quickly, while included attachments reach vents, seams, and corners with ease. Cordless operation provides complete freedom inside and outside your vehicle. Compact and easy to store, it fits neatly in trunks or compartments. With this tool, maintaining a spotless interior becomes fast, simple, and stress-free. Every ride stays clean, fresh, and ready for passengers, pets, or everyday adventures. Now let's talk convenience. This steering wheel tray creates an instant workspace inside your vehicle. Its sturdy surface supports meals, laptops, notebooks, or writing tasks without wobbling. Easy installation attaches securely to most steering wheels within seconds. Perfect for road trips, lunch breaks, or remote work, it provides practical functionality without permanent modifications. This tray transforms parked vehicles into productive, comfortable spaces whenever needed. With this upgrade, drivers and passengers gain a portable, stable workstation anytime, making time spent in your car both efficient and enjoyable. Switching to detail work, this versatile car cleaning gel effortlessly removes dust, crumbs, and debris from vents, buttons, cup holders, dashboards, and all those tight, hard-to-reach crevices. Its flexible, moldable texture conforms perfectly to every surface, lifting dirt and particles without leaving any sticky residue behind. Reusable, non-toxic, and safe for all interior surfaces, it's perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning sessions. Say goodbye to traditional wipes and cloths. This gel tackles the small details your regular tools often miss, keeping your car interior spotless and fresh. And closing the lineup with this electric car jack, it takes all the stress and effort out of roadside tire changes. With one-button operation, this powerful system lifts your vehicle smoothly and securely in minutes. No cranking, no strain, no guesswork. Built-in safety protections keep lifting stable on uneven ground, while this compact design stores easily in your trunk. When emergencies strike at the worst time, this upgrade delivers confidence, control, and fast recovery exactly when you need it most. And that wraps up the list of must-have car gadgets built for real drivers and real road conditions. From winter survival tools and safety tech to everyday convenience upgrades, each item here earns its place in your car. If something stood out, all the links are waiting in the description below. Hit like if this helped, share it with fellow drivers, and subscribe for more smart car upgrades. Until next time, drive safe and stay ready.